Alright, so here's another pulling people out of the snow episode. No one to pull out just yet. Just cruising along. Don't got my cameraman with me today. He's sleeping. I don't blame him. Up, there's a victim. Maybe we can go help him. There's a couple victims, but those guys are in their driveways. Yeah, we could probably go around and go help this guy. Let's flip a Buey. Only in the Jeep could you do this. Everyone else is getting stuck trying to pull this kind of shit because these sandbars are just so crazy. But this Jeep is going right through it like nothing. So let's see if we can, what we got with this guy over here. See if we can help him. He's basically blocking his entrance over here. Huh. Yeah. He's fucking stuck good. We're gonna have to find a spot to park so we can help him. This is a good little, it's a little good thing to, right here. Oh, we're hitting black ice, sliding around like that. I think you're gonna hit traction when you hit this black shit right here. Look at that, we're just fucking sliding. Look at that. I'm not even barely going up it. But you know, the thing is I got 4-wheel in this as well. So if I need to, then I can do that. But really, all we want right now is we just want to go help this guy out. See if we can get over there to him. He's a poor sap. He's a poor old chap. And I'm sure that we could probably just pull over right here. It'd probably be fine. Oh, wow. I gotta figure out another method to my madness. He's not really. Well, these guys are going crazy. We'll go back through this one more time. We'll see if we can. Yeah, this is fine. This is a perfect little spot to go through. Little gas station. Yeah, this is some sinking stuff. I don't want to get too crazy, but I'm gonna try to see if I can help this guy. All right, so this is our victim right here. We're gonna see if we can help him. I guess we're gonna have to park like right up here. It's not really a good spot to park. Because I don't really want to be on the road, but all right, we'll see what we can do with this guy. He's back here.